Guys, Joshua Peterson here, Peterson Electric. I want to talk to you today real quick before it gets too dark. It's almost November 2019 on an outdoor kitchen remodel. If my SEO guy's looking for what we should call it, we had an underground stub up right here for this island and here for the fire pit. So our electrical came up here through two conduits, two circuits. I'm finishing up my two separate WR GFCIs. And some of you might be wondering, is that indoor, outdoor rated? I'd say, guys, don't overthink it. I wouldn't put NM cable in there. You could do UF, but you'd have to protect it. But MC cable, yeah, not exposed to physical damage, but what's going to get in here? And it's a dry location, by the way. No water will get in once the counter's up. So I would MC cable that, and we cut those in. A nice deep mud ring. Got that 4.5 inches down off the countertop. And then there'll be a fridge right here. I have a 1-inch hole, so we can plug that fridge in. Right to there. It'll be GFCI, 2 circuits. And over here, fire pit that we gotta figure out what to do. I don't know yet because they haven't told me. And that's it, guys.